Film Lane is back on track. Bumalik kami sa Baguio pero tour package naman ang ganap namin. Our goal is to see the places na laging pinupuntahan ng mga turista. By the end of the video, I will include the tour package that we avail as a group. There's a huge difference talaga sa tour package at DIY travel experience at expenses. Let me explain this to you. So, tara na! Bumiyahe muna kami ng asawa ko patutuban habang hinihintay namin ang pagtakbo ng oras kaya naisipan muna namin kumain. At ito ang first stopover namin para bumili ng food habang bumiyahe. Hi baby! Buti na lang sinama ng kaibigan ko yung anak niya kaya may kalaro si Aya. May mga bilihan ng mga pasalubong dito sa pinag-stopoveran namin. Sobrang daming tao pero mahaba ang running time ng pagstay namin dito. It's around 6 AM in the morning. Our first stop ay mag-breakfast before the tour. Sobrang lamig na pag ganitong oras. Hello!
Nasa Baguio na kami.
Hindi na tuloy ka.
Ang lamig.
Shout out nga pala kay Rian.
Hoy, Luis, ano na, boss?
Ano, boss? Ano mo din?
Stephanie, ano?
Step.
Daman-daman niyo ba?
Ibang-ibang pagkatao talaga pagkasama ang mga kaibigan. Don't be bothered, passing tabi lang po. Ganito lang naman kami magbardagulan, mas malala pa dyan. Actually, madami talaga kami, kaso we're adults and we have different responsibilities, kaya iniintindi na lang namin kapag busy ang mga tropa.
Hi, this is the mansion.
The mansion house was built in 1908 to serve as the official summer residence of American Governor-General at the insistence of Governor-General William Cameron Forbes, and it is next to Wright Park. Wright Park is open starting 6 AM to 10 PM. This place is good for horseback riding. Napakaganda naman talaga dito mamasyal. Honestly, we don't have time for horseback riding. Yet, upon research, 200 pesos per 30 minutes and 300 pesos for 1 hour if you want to try. Here in Mines View Park, overlooks nearby mountains, forests, and Itogan's abandoned mines. Pwedeng magpa-picture sa horse like I did, and may bayad, pero nakalimutan ko na around 100 ata yun. Nandito kami sa Camp Janhay. I tried strawberry taho na kilala sa Baguio. This is 50 pesos. Di kami ganong nag-ikot-ikot dito dahil kulang na rin sa tulog at medyo pagod na. After namin makapahinga sa Ashburn Transient, bumiyahe kami sa Christmas Village. Maganda ang lugar na to for kids and sobrang nag-enjoy si Aya. Christmas Village is located in Baguio Country Club. Paskong Pasko talagang datingan. If you're asking for the entrance, iba ang rate pag 2 PM to 4 PM. Pero gabi na kami nakapunta dito around 5 PM to 10 PM. 100 pesos per adults, 75 pesos per senior citizen, 50 pesos for 4 years old to 12 years old, 3 years old below and PWD is free of charge. Iba pa ang expenses sa mga rides, snacks, and activities nila dito. Kaya dapat, ready ang budget nyo.
Happy! Hey! May snow! Nasa Alaska na kami. Alaska 45.
it's so cold here.
Nakakaano? Nakakabwisit. Huwag na masisingkot ka dun.
This is really magical place for kids. Peak season nung pumunta kami kaya sobrang daming tao. My inner child was fulfilled that time because of Asteraya. Nag-enjoy talaga siya kahit pupasok na sa shoes niya yung mga snow effect nila. Medyo madulas pero ingat-ingat lang. I am happy for Aya. Ang dami niyang nakikita at nag-enjoy siya. Sabi nga nila, malaking bagay ang mga ganitong pagkakataon sa mga bata. Kaya every travel namin, sinasama namin siya. May time na na-appreciate niya, may time na hindi. Ang importante yung memories na maaalala niya hanggang paglaki niya. Medyo late kami nagising. Konting shot lang ng gabi at kwentuhan to celebrate my birthday. We are heading to Bell Church, our first stop for day 2.
May mga koi and tilapia dito. Tulom na tayo mamaya.
Hindi tilapia.
Yep.
Hoy.
Tilapia, itig na may itsura.
Ito yung tilapia, diba?
Bell Church is located at Balili, La Trinidad, Benguet. Near its border to Baguio City is an elaborate Chinese Taoist temple known as the Bell Church. It is a temple of religious, historical, and cultural significance for the local Chinese-Filipino community of the province. Second stop for day 2 is Strawberry Farm. Pwede dito mag-strawberry picking, tour, at pasalubong shopping na gustong-gusto namin. Mura lang kaya naparami ang bili namin. Nakakatakam naman talagang fresh fruits ng Strawberry Farm. Sinubukan din ng daddy yung wine kaya napabili rin siya. Lunchtime na! At ito yung kailangan namin dahil may susunod pa at siguradong pagura ng akyatan. Nadaanan namin ito ang Igorot Stone Kingdom at ang Tamawan Village na halos magkalapit lang.
Ay! Ay, nag-offer si Aya, oh.
Taas. Mirador Heritage and Eco Park is open daily from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Entrance fee is 100 pesos for adults. Children below 12 years old are free. Mirador Hill Peace Memorial, marked by a red Japanese story gate with a hanging bell, made from an unexploded bomb or shell found here during World War II. Ito naman ang Lourdes Grotto with 252 steps, a place for people to pray and reflect on their spiritual journeys. It became a popular destination for those seeking solace and peace. This might be a little bit spooky. Ito ang Diplomat Hotel. Some vloggers spend the night here to test kung gaano ka-haunted dito, but for me, all I see is history. Diplomat Hotel was originally built as a retreat house that would serve as a vacation house for the Dominican order. It was remodeled as hotel but later ceased the operations na and became abandoned. nakakatakot. May zombie daw sa loob. Zombie. Free time na namin to, kaya andito kami sa Burnham Park and we tried the boat.
Mag-swimming na kami.
Swimming na Aya! Yay! Unang punta namin dito sa Baguio, di namin nasubukan to, but here we are, enjoying our youth. Char!
Gogi, natatakot ako baka tumawag tayo. Tapos na yung mga baka.
Sa'yo nakasalala yung ano namin, Mi. Uy! Wait lang. Hindi ako marunong lumangoy. 6 feet to. Ano ko sasagapin to?
Hindi ako iangat yung gamit ko.
Yung gamit.
Hindi siya tumidiretso.
Starting destination namin for day 3 ay ang Bamboo Sanctuary. Para ka nga talagang nasa Japan, they call it Little Kyoto on social media. Here in Baguio Museum, the items are showcasing the life of various indigenous groups. Kapag nakakapunta talaga ako ng museum, I really appreciate inside of it. Ito yung isa sa mga bagay na ituturo ko sa anak ko bukod sa experiences, travel, and adventure. At least we know where our life began. Regarding tour package, since 5 lang kami, 3,199 pesos each that includes tour, accommodation, and transportation. 3 years old below ay wala kaming binayaran. Thanks to our tour guide Sir Yel and Ofti Travel for the experience. Nag-enjoy talaga kami sa uulitin. Bumiyahe na kami nito pa uwi at may bata hindi tinigilan ng pasalubong. Sinimulan na agad ubusin, nagustuhan niya yung strawberry. This will be the end of our video. See you again next time!
Pili tar, cheese bar, yema ube, strawberry jam, suka!